before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. If I quit calling you my lover, move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling to my knees. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'm bleeding stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come and help. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'm bleeding stitches, just like a mortal to a friend. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for hopefully another interesting lesson. This is a song, big hit for Shawn Mendes a few years ago called Stitches, okay? And I am in standard tuning with the capo on the first fret, puts us into the same key as the original record, okay? So you better play along with him, no problem. Okay, so quite a simple song, shouldn't take you too long to grab hold of this one, okay? And I'm doing a simplified version, we could call it the Campfire version if you like, fully strumming, no finger picking, no plucking, just straightforward strumming, okay? So we'll start off with the intro, and the intro chords are A minor, G, C, and F. Okay, and the same chords for the intro and the verse. All the verses are the same as those for chord sequence. Okay, so just to clarify, you'll see me occasionally playing the C chord as a shape like that. It's basically a three-fingered straightforward C, simple C. This third finger is up on the third fret at the bottom E string, and my pinky is playing the third fret on the fifth string, the A string. That's a C chord with G in the bass, and it enables you to play all 6 strings. Okay, and also F. You'll see me playing an F like this sometimes, 4-fingered F. It's a 3-fingered F with this again. This third finger goes up to the 5th string this time, 3rd fret, and pinky goes to the 3rd fret on the 4th string. It gives you 5 strings then, 5 down to 1. And in both cases on this song, if you want to play a bar chord for the F chord or the G chord, please do. It's up to you, however you wish to play it and like the sound of. Okay, so so the intro is this. Okay, it's A minor, G, C, F. So you do 2 rounds of that, and then we keep going, keep doing the sequence, and then we'll start singing the first verse. Okay, so 2 lots in without singing, and then I'll start doing my interpretation of the singing. Okay. I thought that I'd been hurt before, no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Right, so that's the verse, and it's also the same for all the other verses as well, okay? The same chord sequence there, okay? So after the verse we go into what's called a pre-chorus, the bit between the verse and the actual chorus itself. And when you get to the end of the first verse, you end up on that F chord. Instead of going back to the A minor, we stay on the F, okay? And we do the pre-chorus, which is the F, which goes, got a feeling that I'm moving under, but I know I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover. Move on, you watch me, and then we go into the chorus proper. Okay, so the chords for the pre-chorus are, we stay on the F, got a feeling G, I'm going under, A minor, but I know what I'll make it out alive, F, if I quit calling G, you my lover, A minor, move on, then a single strum on G, you watch me, and then we go into the chorus. Okay, so stop on the G, you watch me, and we're off into the chorus. Okay, so F, let's just recap on the pre-chorus. F. So if you can imagine the last part of the first verse where it goes, now I need someone to bring me back to life. F. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know how to make it out alive. Gotta get the cold, my lover, move on. You watch me, and off into it. Okay, so let's do the whole song up to that end of the pre-chorus. Okay, 2 lots of intro, verse, pre-chorus. Okay, so here we go. I thought I'd been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. If I quit calling you my lover, move on, you watch me. Okay, right, and then the final part is the chorus itself, right? And the chorus itself is A minor to G to C to F for the first half. Okay, so it's move on, you watch me bleed until I can't breathe. G, shaking. C, falling on my knees. F. Okay, so move on, you watch me bleed until I can't breathe. Shaking, falling to my knees. Now that's back to A minor. I'm without your G kisses. F. I'll be needing stitches. Now stitches is 2 chords. Stitches is the basic 3-fingered C, a basic C. Stitch is. And all we do there is we lower the bass note on the 5th string, the A string, from the 3rd on the 5th to the 2nd on the 5th. Okay, so from the C, stitches, keeping the 1st finger where it is from the C chord. We just move this finger, which was on the 4th string 2nd fret, to the 5th string 2nd fret. Okay, so we've got 2nd on the 5th and 1st on the 2nd there. Okay, stitches, and then we back and repeat the whole thing again. Okay, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come and help. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, just like a moth drawn to a flame. Off into the 2nd verse. Okay, exactly the same to play as the 1st verse. So let's just go through this whole chorus bit again. It's 2 lots of the same sequence basically. So after we come out of the pre-chorus, move on, you watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come and help. Now I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, just like a moth without a flame. Okay, so there you have it. That's the whole thing. It just repeats more of the same. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's do the whole thing, shall we? So we'll do the intro a couple of times around, first verse, pre-chorus, and the verse, and you've got everything you need to play this song. Okay, so here we go. I've been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know I'll make it out alive. If I quit calling you my lover, move on. You watch me bleed till I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come and help. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, just like a moth drawn to a flame. And so on. There you have it, boys and girls. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully it will help you if you wanted to play that song. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.